Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Airplane. If you've ever felt stressed, confused, or even a little lost at the airport, don't worry, you're not alone. Airports can be overwhelming, especially in the United States where they're huge, crowded, and full of rules that sometimes feel confusing. But today, I've got your back. In this video, I'm going to share some of the best airport tips and tricks that'll save you time, money, and stress on your next trip. Whether you're flying for vacation, business, or even your very first flight, these hacks are going to make your travel experience so much smoother. Stick around till the end because I've got a few bonus tips that even frequent flyers sometimes don't know. Always book flights early if you can. Prices in the US usually start climbing 3 to 4 weeks before departure. Download your airlines app. It'll save you from printing boarding passes and keep you updated in real time. Try to check in online 24 hours before your flight. It often gives you better seat selection and sometimes even early boarding perks. TSA rules. Liquids must be under 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, and all fit in a quart-size clear bag. Roll your clothes instead of folding. They take less space and wrinkle less. Always pack a change of clothes and essentials in your carry-on in case your check bag gets delayed. Airport security. TSA tips. Wear slip-on shoes. You'll thank me when you have to remove them at security. Empty your pockets before getting in line. Keys, wallet, phone. Put them in your bag, not the bin. If you travel often, invest in TSA PreCheck or Global Entry. It's worth every penny for faster lines. Saving money at the airport. Bring an empty water bottle. You can refill it at water stations past security instead of paying $5 for bottled water. Pack snacks. Airport food is expensive and sometimes unhealthy. If you have a long layover, check if your credit card gives you free lounge access. Lounges have free food, drinks, and comfy seating. Boarding like a pro. Don't rush to board first unless you really need overhead bin space. Waiting until later often means less time sitting cramped in the plane. Have your ID and boarding pass ready before you get to the gate. Use the restroom in the airport before boarding. It's cleaner and more spacious than the plane restroom. In-flight comfort hacks. Bring noise-canceling headphones or at least earplugs. It makes a world of difference. Dress in layers. Planes can be freezing or overheated. Stay hydrated. Airplane cabins are super dry, so drink water, not just coffee or alcohol.
I'm tired.
Dealing with layovers and delays. If your flight gets delayed or canceled, don't just wait at the counter. Call the airline while standing in line. You'll get help faster. Always download the airport map ahead of time if you have a tight connection, especially in huge U.S. airports like Dallas, Chicago, or Atlanta. Use flight tracking apps like FlightAware to stay ahead of gate changes or delays. Baggage claim hacks. Mark your luggage with a colorful ribbon or tag. It makes spotting your bag on the carousel so much easier. Take a picture of your luggage before checking it in, just in case it gets lost. If your bag doesn't show up, report it immediately before leaving the baggage claim area. Extra pro tips. Early morning flights are usually less delayed than afternoon ones. If you're nervous about missing your flight, set alarms. Boarding usually starts 30 to 40 minutes before departure. Always keep your valuables, laptop, passport, money, in your personal bag, never checked luggage. And that's it. Now you're armed with some of the best airport tips and tricks to make your travels smoother, cheaper, and way less stressful. So, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite airport hack? Or maybe you've had a crazy airport story to share. I'd love to hear it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Safe travels, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Airplane sparkles.